We'll guide you through how to use the Smudge Tool in Paint.net. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Paint.net on your desktop and load the image you want to work on. While Paint.net doesn't have a native smudge tool, you can achieve a smudge effect using a few creative techniques. Go to the top menu and click on the Effects tab. Then choose Blurs and select Gaussian Blur. Adjust the blur level to your liking, keeping in mind that a higher radius will create a more pronounced smudge effect. After applying the blur, head over to the Layers panel on the right side and duplicate the current layer by right-clicking and selecting Duplicate Layer. Now, select the Eraser tool from the toolbar on the left. With the duplicated layer selected, gently erase the areas where you want the smudge effect to appear more prominently. This technique allows you to control the intensity and location of the smudge. For finer control, you can adjust the eraser's hardness and size settings located in the toolbar at the top. If you want to refine the smudge effect even more, you can use the Liquify plugin, which can be installed from the Paint.net community plugins. After installing, go to Effects, choose Distort, and then Liquify. Use the Push and Twirl tools within Liquify to create dynamic smudging patterns. This approach gives you the flexibility to achieve a smooth and realistic smudge effect that can enhance your image's appearance. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.